Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we'll create a list of countries using Face API. If you look at this project, we got a title and a button called View All. When you click the button, it shows a list of countries with its flag, name, capital, population and region. We will be using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to do this project. So it would be good if you understand the basics of them. In terms of JavaScript, it would be better if you have an understanding of JavaScript function, DOM manipulation and Face API. If you are not comfortable with them, I suggest you to watch my previous videos on those topics. I have added the link of each playlist below. Before starting this project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created a playlist on my channel. They are organized by topics to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started. First, create a project folder and open them in the text editor. I'm using VS Code as my text editor and list countries as my project name. Here, let's create 3 files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. In index.html, type exclamation mark and press the tab key. You will see the basic HTML codes. In the title tag, add list countries. Inside the body, add div with the class container. Inside this div, add the header tag. Then inside header, add h1 tag with the title list countries. Save the changes and to check the preview, right click, click Open with Live Server. New tab will automatically open and you can see the preview. Just a quick note, in order to work with the live server, you need an extension called Live Server. Make sure you download and install them if it is not. Now, let's import style and script. So, just after the title tag, add a link tag. In href, add style.css. Then, just before the end of the body tag, add script tag. In src, add script.js. Now, let's quickly test both of them. So open style.css. In h1, add color red. Check the preview and it works. Likewise, in script.js, add alert hello world. Check the preview and it works too. Let me remove these codes again since we know it is working now. Finally, let's add Google Font. So, in the new tab, search Google Font. Open the first link. You will see the list of fonts here. Choose any one. I will choose Roboto. Click Get Font, Get Embedded Code, Click Add Import since we will be adding them in our CSS. Copy the code and paste them in style.css. In the body, add font family Roboto sans serif. Click the preview and it works. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on HTML and CSS. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.